Welcome back, guys. I'm like so exhausted, so tired. Ugh, my job is killing me. Anyways, so today replacing this Pioneer stereo because it's been having many issues for a while. So I just got this. Let's see, I got this dual touchscreen I'm gonna be putting in instead. And I got this amp kit I'm gonna be putting in. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, now that I just completely destroyed my dash now. Well, I just break shit. See, I'm too patient with shit and I just end up breaking it. I would just have the time to figure it out that this just pops up. It has these little snappers that you can just pop up. I don't want to be breaking shit, but I broke it now. So it's gonna look ugly now. And then you just wanna, there's like 4 screws right here. Just wanna just take these up, take like a Phillips head, just unscrew them. And now that we did that, this puppy should just slide right out. This should just slide right out. Okay, so the camera wasn't recording me, but the thing is, there's 3 screws right here. 1, 2, and 3 to the fucking climate control, because right here, there's like a little tab. This tab right here, this tab right there, goes into this part, which is right here. And you have to basically take all these screws, and you can just slide it. You can just pop it out. It comes out like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we got an aftermarket conversion. So this is to convert it to aftermarket. If you were swapping out your stock stereo. Holy shit, this is way different. Way different. See, because I bought one of these for the F-150, and it was a pretty good system. I kept it in there for a while. It was pretty good, no complaints. It was a pretty good system, but like the only problem was like this back part right here was like as big as that. I was expecting it, but now like I guess this is the updated version. I guess it's like skinnier, so it doesn't have to be all the way back there and be all this bulky. So here it is. Okay, so before you start installing shit, there's always like a fucking, I don't know what the hell this is, but there's like this plastic piece, and you want to make sure that you just take it off before you install it, because I don't know why they put this shit, what it does, I don't know, but it just says take it off, so take it off. Oh, I just lost the screw. Oh, it's right here. Alright, I'm gonna start just basically connect. I just pulled this out. Holy shit, and this thing's all fucked up. No wonder. I'm just gonna double check the wiring because there's like a lot of issues we've been having. Like, since they did all the hard work for me, I don't have to. No. So basically, this part right here will not fit into this. So I might have to use it. So I'm gonna have to connect all these. Times like this.
What the heck was that? That's why he struck like fast.
Yeah.
That's what it has a turbo in it.
No, babe, it's supercharged. I tell you this every time.
Why is the difference?
Oh my goodness, dude. We're gonna go over this again. And State Trooper was sitting right there. And like luckily I was going the speed limit that time. And I didn't get fucking busted. One time that we were in town, remember I stuck my hand out, I was like 1, 2, and he was like, no, don't do it. There's a fucking cop. And my dumbass was not paying attention, and I did not see that fucking cop.
And he was like, I dare you.
Yeah,
I fucking dare you.
Like, do it. Chevy. Whoa. Well, there's some people might get offended when you say that.
Where do you want to go? The clock if you fucking rob the truck.
Oh my goodness.
They don't call me the one pump for nothing. Quit getting hard, bro. Quit getting hard.
Okay. Alright, we're about to do some stupid shit right now. Here you go, my lady.
You have to go to the other side. So you go to the other side.
Yeah. Oh,
Don't touch me.
is he cool? Is he cool? Is he taquache?
Bro, he is.
Oh yeah. What the hell? Ooh yeah.
It's nice. I like Broncos.
Yeah, it's-
Broncos are nice.
Yeah, you can run away from the cops in them.
Oh, okay. we know that much, bro.
That's a nitrous switch.
No, it's not. That's the fucking bass. I know, but I'm telling you, all my door speakers are blown. What the fuck?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Why did it sound so much better last time? There's a loose cable back there. God damn it. Bro, I don't think we should do this. I think we can get in trouble.
What?
Backing out for ordering.
This happens every time.
I know the order works either way. I'm still here.
We're just gonna order waters because they're free.
They are free, huh?
Yeah, they are free. Why would they charge for water? It better be like holy water or some shit. God damn.
What's the power crash compelling?
Dude, they're gonna be so mad, dude. I don't think I want to do this, dude. Should probably go somewhere.
They won't find out it's you. You see this long line, they'll suspect it's one of you.
How can I help you?
How you doing?
How are you doing?
Hello? Hey, do you know if your waters are free? Hello?
How can I help you?
Are your waters free?
Excuse me?
Are your waters free? You know, like
You
it's
want water, the
like-
small waters? Okay, what else?
More water.
I'm like, give me more water, please.
Okay, 2?
No, there's no 4 waters, please.
4 waters. Okay, what else?
Yes, but do you guys search for waters?
Not the small, sir.
Not the smallest. Okay, 4 small waters, please.
Okay, what else?
That'll be it. Thank
Okay,
you.
what else?
Calm down, Karen.
Are we done?
I guess.
What a waste of time.
Yeah, that was.
So you just.
They're gonna be like, where the fuck were your 4 small waters?
Where the fuck did he go? We're dick, bro.
If you're watching this, I sincerely apologize.
Honestly, I don't feel like waiting in line just to get a fucking cup of water.
Dude, let's go
You should
Taco
order
Bell,
like a
dude.
big, like a big ass
Oh,
meal.
dude, this guy just left.
I know you I'm like, wait a minute.
You should dead ass like order like a big ass meal. Like, oh, I want like 10
Oh,
orders.
yeah.
God damn it, you fucking savage. Travis Scott.
Wait, what? The Travis Scott burger.
Yeah.
What is this person?
Do you guys have the coronavirus measure?
God, that guy's so fucking ugly over there. Nobody behind us, just back out. Just back up.
Just back out.
Yeah, just back up.
Through the wrong direction.
Yeah, wait. This guy's taking like 20 years to own it.
Okay, ready?
No wonder why it took forever.
Hello?
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Give me a second.
I'm gonna feel bad for this person.
Feel bad for us.
They have to deal with this bullshit. Dude, I told you to have a bitchy camera. Let's get the fuck out of here. There's a camera right there.
Don't fucking play with it.
How can I help you?
You know what we want?
What's up?
How'd you know?
Because there's hella people coming for that.
I want to see Travis Scott.
Yeah, I want to. Yeah.
I want to see him. Yeah, man, I want to see Travis Scott. Where he at? You guys don't have him? It will come with the meal.
Which one?
The Travis Scott burger, man. Don't even come with the Travis Scott toy.
We don't have the Travis Scott no more, bro.
Nah, what happened there, man? Nah, you guys just out of it, or what?
No, it was like, because the new celebrity came out, so we only have the J Balvin.
Ah, shit.
Nah, I'm sorry, man.
What?
I'm just trying to look for Travis Scott.
Well, do you guys got the Trump burger?
The what?
The Trump burger? Yeah, the Trump burger where he's got 2 white cheeks. You know, a Trump burger. Like full America. Me.
I feel bad for this man. He doesn't get paid enough to deal with this shit.
Fucking American burger, man. You know that fucking Trump burger?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry too.
What the fuck?
I want to meet him in the truck. I'll come back for you. Don't worry. I want to see Travis Scott.
Honestly, this guy was having the ball. He used to laugh at his ass off.
No. Actually, he's a chill guy. I love him.
He was like, I'm sorry. He's
No,
like,
that's
I'm
why I
sorry
want to
too.
meet him. Ain't that broken?
What the fuck is going on?
It's not broken.
How you doing? Do you guys sell gas by any chance?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. That's fine. You know.
No, what?
Cámalo, wey. Cámalo. Cámalo. I'm not gonna do it. This is a front wheel drive car. I'm not gonna do it.
Do it, bitch. He can't even do it.
No, I can't. I don't want to.
I know. Hold on. I think I can do it. Watch out, bitch.
No, hell no. What is going on, yo? This is part 2 of the fucking stereo install. So we are back here again, trying to put this bullshit in. Yeah, so basically what happened was I was gonna put this shit in yesterday, but I ran out of time because I had a baby shower to go to, family reunion. I stopped in my hometown and met up with the old boys again. And so now I'm back here, late as fuck, trying to get this shit done. So yeah, okay. Please, this is a very professional wiring install. Yeah, I got the juice and the negative line connected. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if it actually turns on. Before you start connecting, want to make sure. Here it is. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my goodness! Great. Oh shit, and that's, oh my goodness. So basically what just happened is, before you work on any electrical, make sure you disconnect the battery. I know I feel like such a dumbass right now. Oh my goodness. So what basically just happened, I just blew a fucking fuse when I did not disconnect the battery. Make sure you disconnect the battery. That feels so dumb. Your fuse has been put in. So that takes care of that problem right there. Okay, now we got power now. So that's good. Yeah, we did something right finally. Oh my gosh. I just got finished correct. We just gotta connect the rest of the wires. So basically all this wire is fucking jacked up. I don't know what the hell is going on here. But I'm gonna try my best with my master engineering electrician skills. I'm gonna get this handing out a little job situated, but yeah, it's like fucking dark as shit outside. I had the rest of the day to do it, and I waited till the last second to do this shit. As you can see, the stereo is finally in, but it's finally in and it's looking great. Now the next thing to do is just, I need to install the amplifier kit, put in the subwoofer, put in the amplifier in here, and then yeah, we'll be fucking set. Be fucking bumping and thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, Garcia 50.